Health level. You'll be able to find your health level in the portfolio section of the app. Your health level is defined by your account value divided by invested. In this example, it's $16,913.93 divided by 1,289.19 and multiplied by 100, which equals 1,311%. This would be considered a very healthy account. Whenever you're using leverage, you're subject to liquidation, because your losses can compound much faster than with unleveraged trading. Please be cautious using leverage, and if you do use it, we recommend your health level should not go below 100%, meaning your account value should not go below your total invested. However, your positions will not be subject to liquidation until your health level reaches 20%.